In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Discord webhooks. If you've ever wanted automated updates to appear in a channel, like alerts from a bot, notifications from another app, or status messages, a webhook is a simple, built-in way to make that happen. You don't need to install anything extra, and the setup inside Discord only takes a moment. Before we start, make sure you're on the desktop app or the browser version of Discord, and that you have permission to manage the server settings. If you don't see certain options later on, it usually means you need a role with the Manage Webhooks or Administrator permission. First, look to the very top left corner of Discord where your server name appears. Click that server name to open the server menu. From that drop-down, choose Server Settings. This takes you to the control center for your server, where you can manage roles, channels, moderation, and of course, integrations. Next, in the left-hand sidebar, find and select Integrations. This is where Discord collects all the ways your server can connect to external tools and automations. It's the dedicated place to manage existing webhooks and set up new ones, so you won't need to dig through other menus. Once you're in Integrations, select Create Webhook. That's it. Discord will create a new webhook for your server in just a click. You'll see it appear in the list of integrations, which makes it easy to come back later to organize or remove it if you ever need to. If you don't see the option to create a webhook here, double check that you're in the correct server and that your role has the right permissions. A quick tip on organization: keeping your webhooks clearly labeled inside integrations will help you stay on top of what each one is for, especially if you plan to use multiple automations. And remember, webhooks are powerful. Treat anything associated with them as sensitive. Don't post private details publicly, and avoid sharing anything that could give others control over your automations. To recap the flow one more time so it sticks, click your server name at the top left, open Server Settings, go to Integrations, and select Create Webhook. That simple series of clicks adds a webhook to your server, ready for you to use in services that support Discord webhooks. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned the fastest way to add Discord webhooks, using only the built-in tools. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to review those menus again.